The BMW M4 was already a monster. But when ADRO gets involved, it turns into something else entirely. Sharper, louder, meaner. This is the 2026 ADRO G82 M4, a fusion of German engineering and South Korean aggression that pushes the boundaries of what an M car can be. Forget subtlety. This car doesn't whisper performance, it screams it. Let's dive into the weaponized version of the G82 M4. ADRO didn't just tweak the M4's styling. They rewrote the visual language. Up front, you've got a completely redesigned carbon fiber front bumper and splitter, channeling airflow like a wind tunnel weapon. The iconic kidney grille, framed by aggression and function, with better cooling and sharper lines. Flared fenders house wider forged wheels wrapped in sticky Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s, and the profile is dropped on adjustable coilovers for a stance that means business. In the rear, a functional carbon fiber diffuser and an F1-style rain light make it look like it just rolled out of pit lane. And yes, there's a monstrous carbon wing that generates real downforce at speed. This is form and function, dialed up to 11. Inside, the M4 retains its Bavarian luxury roots, but with ADRO's touch, it feels far more purposeful. You're seated in Alcantara-lined carbon bucket seats, hugging you tight whether you're canyon carving or chasing apexes on a track day. Subtle ADRO badging appears across the cabin, on the steering wheel, the dash, and stitched into the headrests. The iDrive 9 system is still front and center, but with a track-focused digital skin that displays temps, tire pressures, G-forces, and lap timers in real time. And the ambient lighting? Now red by default, because subtlety left the garage a long time ago. Under the hood, ADRO left no stone unturned. Starting with BMW's twin-turbocharged 3.0L inline-six, the S58, ADRO bolts on a new carbon fiber intake, upgraded turbos, a retuned ECU, and a freer-flowing titanium exhaust system. The result? A jaw-dropping 625 horsepower and 575 lb-ft of torque. 0 to 60. A blistering 3.0 seconds flat, with AWD grip and RWD attitude. With an optional track pack, you get a remapped DCT, upgraded intercoolers, and a more aggressive suspension tune to keep things planted under serious G-loads. This isn't just a fast M4, it's a precision-engineered monster with the bite to match its bark. The 2026 ADRO G82 M4 is more than a modified BMW. It's a statement, a celebration of tuning culture, motorsport obsession, and pure adrenaline. ADRO didn't just make the M4 better. They turned it into something unforgettable. The badge says M4. But the soul? That belongs to ADRO. Drop a like if you love wild builds, comment. Would you take the ADRO G82 over a stock M4? Subscribe for more brutally fast machines and next-gen builds.